Welcome back to another video guys. Today I will show you really quickly how you can get iOS 16 on your iPhone and other devices for free. Because as you know, iOS 16 is for developers for now, which means that you would need to pay $99 to get into that program, and I know many of you don't want to pay for that but still want to have iOS 16. So let's begin. So first, get your Apple device and go to your browser. Then search for beta profiles. Now search for the device you have and click on download profile. You get a pop-up but click on the red button that says install anyways. Now you get again a pop-up from Apple, but now because it asks if you want to download the profile. Click on allow. Now again a pop that says that the profile is downloaded. So click on close and go to setting. When you enter settings, you will see a button that says that the profile is downloaded. Click on it and click on install. Click a second time on install and you get a pop-up to restart your iPhone. Click on restart now. Your iPhone is going to restart. After your phone restarted, go as usual to settings and update your phone. And voila, after you restarted your phone you are updated. As I already said, this works the same with every device. So now enjoy iOS. So thanks for watching and I will see you in another video.